Hey guys, this is part 3 of how to create a YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some tips and show you how you can record your first video. So, to record my screen, my laptop screen, I'd use a extension in Chrome called Screen. It's over here. And yeah, it's recording right now. And yeah, you can download it at the Google Chrome web store. Extensions, and then you can search up Screencastify, and it's gonna be this one. And yeah, you can just download that to record your screen, your laptop screen or desktop screen, or and you can record your screen. So to record your first video, you can just record anything. Like I'll just record a video later and add it, and I'll show you how you can upload your first video too. And yeah. Okay, so after you recorded the video, like I did over here, so I'll just play it for you guys. This is the video that I was talking about, so here is the video that we're gonna upload. So yeah, you can move your mouse and stuff, and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna upload this, and first we want to download it, save to disk, or if you want to, you can just upload it directly to YouTube. But we're not gonna we're just gonna download it because you get more options. And say, okay, so click save video or this. If you want to export as MP4, you have to upgrade your account. So I'm just gonna save video to disk. And yeah, it's downloading over here. Exit this out, and then go to our channel, and you want to click this plus button. This is uploading your video. You want to click it, upload video, and you can also go live and upload video. And then I think you can drag it over here, and you want to drag in your video, and now it's uploading. You can change the title, test, and then you want tags. So to do tags, you want to put tags related to your video, or else you can get a copyright strike. And if you get 3 copyright strikes, or 4, I don't remember, but if you too too many copyright strikes, your account might get deleted. So you want it very you want your tags to be about your video. So you can do test, then and then enter Chrome web store, and yeah. So and then you can also add it on Google Plus, I think. And then here you can change the thumbnail here, and translations and settings. You can change this, and yeah. And then after you're finished, you want to click publish. And I'm gonna teach you how to create a thumbnail on next week's video, so stay tuned for that. And then you can share it, embed it into your website or something. And yeah, and then when you're finished, you want to click this 3 lines. Actually, yeah, just go to my channel. And then you have your video over here. Guys, this is the video that I was talking about, so stuff. Yeah. And probably like it or something. And you can edit the video, so edit. Oh yeah, and you can make custom thumbnails. And to do that, I think you hold on. Oh yeah, and edit your video and screen. And to add an end screen, your video has to be at least 25 seconds long. So, and you can add cards. It's those pop-up things over there. Guys, this is the video that I'll just add it. Yeah, we don't have any videos, but just add a poll. What? Uh, test 2, create card, and yeah, it's this I thing. Yep. And yeah, that's cards. And then you can go to channel over here, and these are the copyright strikes things. You get 4 chances. So if you have 0 community guideline strikes, that's good. And you probably want to verify your channel, and verify it, because that way you can create your own custom thumbnails. I'll just verify it later. And yeah, you also get longer. You can also upload videos longer than 15 minutes. And over here you can change your upload defaults. So you can change this so every time you upload a video, it has this thing in it. You can go to branding, add a watermark, but we're not going to do that yet. And yeah, this is how you upload and create your first video on your desktop. And then now I'm going to switch over to my phone. And yeah. Hey guys, this is my phone, and I'm going to show you how you can record on your phone. So I have this app. Oh, you can't download this without downloading any apps on the Samsung S8. And I downloaded this app called DU Recorder, and it has when you upload it, you don't have any watermarks. You can turn it off over here, and you can change the settings, the video resolution, record the video, all over here. And then you can also edit your video over here, which is, I think, a pretty good thing for an app like this. And yep, yeah. I'm also gonna record a video here and upload it on our channel. So hold on about that. I'm just gonna pause this video to do that. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just recorded my video, and you can share it to YouTube over here. So, but if you want to edit it, you can just exit out, go here, edit video, and then choose this. You can trim it, so make your video shorter, but I'm not gonna do that. And you can remove the middle, so like this. Preview. You can also and yeah, but I'm not gonna remove the middle. No thanks. You can add subtitles, music, which I think you have to download yourself. Yep. Crop. You can also crop your video. Add background image, intro and outro. No thanks. You can also change your speed. And yeah, so I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube. Let me see. Um, and then to upload your video, you go here, click your video, share it on YouTube, and yeah, that's how you share your video on YouTube on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna switch back to my computer. And, and yeah, this is how you record your first video and upload it to YouTube. Stay tuned for next week's video, which is how to edit your new video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And yeah, thanks for watching.